Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 11 after update. Without further ado, let's get started. Restart your computer and router. Sometimes a simple restart can fix connectivity issues. 2. Check if Wi-Fi is enabled. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Wi-Fi. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. If it is off, turn it on. Update network drivers. Outdated drivers can be causing the issue. Here's how to update them. Right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters and find your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for updated driver software and follow the on-screen instructions. Run Network Troubleshooter. Windows 11 has a built-in troubleshooter to detect and fix Wi-Fi issues. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Under Network and Internet, click Run next to the Internet connections. Follow the prompts to detect and resolve the issue. Reset network settings. If nothing else works, you can reset your network settings. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, select Network Reset. Click Reset Now and then restart your computer. Check for Windows updates. There might be additional updates for Windows or drivers that could fix the issue. Go to Settings, Windows Update. Click Check for updates to see if there are any new patches for your system. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Before leaving this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and contents. Peace out.